Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. If you're new here, you are very welcome. Today I am back with another DIY and we are going to be making some balloon clusters. I'm going to be using these balloon clusters in my church for our crossover night. Alright, so join me. I'm going to start by showing you the balloons that we will be using and then we are going to get started. Okay, so here are our balloons. We are going to be using some different shades of blue. There are just some leftover balloons from my inventory and I'm going to add this teal to it just to give it some texture. I'm thinking of white, but the walls of our church is white, so I don't want to add white balloons, but I'll just try to look for some more shades of blue and I'm going to put them together and we'll see what we will come out with. Alright guys, so let's get started. So we'll start off by inflating our balloons, and we have our balloon pump that we'll be using. If you see my baby, say hello. Alright, let's go. So I just pressed it down to make sure that it is nicely shaped in a round form. As you can see, I tried to make it organic balloons. One is bigger, or some are bigger, some are smaller, so they are just different sizes of balloons. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Guys, so here are our balloons all inflated. Have more all over the floors. So I'm going to start putting them in clusters now, and then you're going to see what it looks like. Let's get started. So I'm going to put each pair in every color. What it looks like. I want to start with this and let's see how many balloons I have. If I have enough pairs, enough clusters, because I need at least eight clusters. So once I have 8 clusters, then I can just do an addition of different pairs to the clusters. You're just adding your pairs and twisting it until they get secured. So we have 8 clusters, balloon clusters, and I'm going to just add it with all the pairs that we have on the floor. I'll add them to my clusters to make them bigger. I'm not going with the green anymore, guys. No more green. I'm just going with my different shades of blue. I think it's beautiful like this. is what we have. So you can just play with the balloons anyhow you want it. So you know what you're doing, right? Just play with them, add what you want, reduce what you want to reduce.